Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's March 26th, Tuesday morning, and trade overnight is very quiet in the grains. Corn giving back a little bit of that rally that it had late yesterday. Soybeans finding a little bit of support, up just slightly. The news, China soybeans overnight were basically unchanged. The palm oil was a little lower. Meal was slightly higher in China. Some of the factors that we're dealing with here is the USDA report on Thursday at 11 o'clock. The stocks number is probably the most critical number that's going to be watched, especially in corn. We've got trade average around 5 billion bushel. That compares to about 6 billion bushel that we had a year ago. The numbers there and what we're hearing from trade, if we get down into the 4.9 billion bushel or up over 5.1, the spreads could be affected, where we could see the lower number would support the old crop corn. A higher number could weigh on the old crop corn and see some narrowing of that old crop, new crop spread. So that's something we're watching and trying to prepare for as we go into that report. Soybeans, trade average is 935. Wheat, about 1.2 billion is what the number is there. Very wide ranges in the estimates, so expect we could see some volatility after the report. The other part of the report is the planning perspectives, which is doesn't appear to be much of an influence here, as the trade's expecting about what we had a year ago in corn, 97 million 100, I believe is the average. Soybean number, looking for additional soybean acres there, around 78.3. So that will be certainly an influence after the 11 o'clock release, and create some volatility in the markets there late on Thursday, and then Friday, of course, the markets are closed. Some of the crop reports that came out yesterday afternoon showed wheat conditions improving in Oklahoma and Texas. Kansas conditions stayed the same. Corn plantings in the southern part of the U.S. showed that they're moving along above the normal pace. So having some planting success down there. Weather conditions here overnight impacted, and possibly impacted in a greater way, some of this corn in Texas, where there was some freeze damage possibly done on some of the early planted corn. So we'll be watching that closely here the next day or two to see what kind of actual damage did occur in that area. The meat markets, hog futures are higher. The cattle futures are mixed, slightly higher, mostly lower in the deferred contracts. Cutout values there, choice down 85, select down 207. We just can't find a bottom in this product. The biggest concern there certainly is demand. We've got to find somebody to buy this expensive meat when compared to its competitors like pork and poultry. The possible better weather on the weekends where we could see some cookout, but the real situation in beef, we believe anyway, is the spendable income that the consumers have. There's a tremendous amount of lack of demand because of those people that are underemployed or unemployed, and we've got to watch that, and hopefully we can get some increase in demand improvement, even with tight supplies and possibly running as much as 12% below on the supply side of market-ready cattle. So a problem that time will heal, but look, we're optimistic about the cattle market down the road, but we've got some bumpy paths to cross here in the short term. I want to remind everybody we've got the Allendale Ag Leader webinar this evening, 7 o'clock. We're going to be discussing the USDA report in detail. Some of the things that we're looking at, our Rich Nelson, Chief Strategist, will be sharing ideas and sharing some of his thoughts with you this evening. So make sure you sign up for that. You just go to our website and you're able to sign up by clicking on the Allendale Ag webinar. If you got any questions, never hesitate to give us a call here at Allendale at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.